Okay, children, which topic will you today? Algebra, part 13. Okay. Okay. Now we'll do some exercise questions here. Exercise 11.5 Classics Maths question 2. Okay. Okay. What you have to do here? Complete the entries in the third column of the table. What is the first column? Equation. Second, value of the variable. Third one is equation satisfied? Yes or no. So we are given some equations here, and the value of the variable is given. What you have to do? If LHS means left hand side equal to right hand side or not, that we have to check. That's what you have to do here. You have to write whether equations is satisfied, yes or no, or left hand side equal to right hand side or no. That is what you have to find here. Okay. First question, 10y is equal to 8a. What is the variable here? Y, and y value is given as 10. Okay, now 10y and 10 into y are the same. I told you, right? So instead of y, if you put 10, 10 into 10. What is 10 into 10? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20s are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80. Yes, tell me. 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are is 100. But value is given here is 10y is 80. Is it satisfied? Is 100 equal to 80? No. Therefore, equation is not satisfied. You have put no. Now, next question. 10y is equal to 80. Same way, y is the variable. The value of variable y is what? 8. So, instead 10y and 10 into y are the same. I told you, no? So, now, instead of y, we will put 8. So, 10 into 8. What is 10 into 8? Tell me anybody fast. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80. Okay. So 80 is left hand side is 80. Right hand side also it is 80. Therefore, 10y is equal to 80, y is equal to 8 is satisfied. Yes, you have to write. Next, 10y is equal to 80. What is the value of variable y? It is 5. So 10y and 10 into y are the same. So what you have to do? Instead of 5, we'll put 5. So 10 into 5. What is 10 into 5? 50, right? You should know tables by now. You are in 6th standard. Okay. 10 into 5 is 50. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. Okay. So left hand side, what is the value? 50. Right hand side, what is the value? 80. Is 50 equal to 80? No. Therefore, it is not satisfied. No, you have to write. Next question. 4L is equal to 20. What is the value of variable L here? 4 into L and 4L are the same. So, what is the value of variable L? L is 20. Therefore, 4L I told you, 4 into L and 4L are the same. Therefore, 4 into 20. What is 4 into 20? It is 80. So, left hand side value is 80. Right hand side value is 20. Is 80 equal to 20? No. Therefore, you have to write no. Equation satisfied. No. 4L is equal to 20. Again, what is the value of variable L here? 80. 4L and 4 into L is the same. Therefore, 4 into 80. 4 into 80 is 320. 320 is equal to 20. Is it satisfied? No. Left hand side is 320. Right hand side is 20. Therefore, equation is not satisfied. Right? No. As the answer. Next, some more questions are here. 4L is equal to 20. What is the value of variable L? 5. So 4L and 4 into L are the same. Therefore, instead of L, if you put 5, what becomes 4 into 5? What is 4 5s are? Yes, 20. Left hand side, right hand side, both are 20. So equation is satisfied. Yes. Right? Yes. B plus 5 equal to 9. So what is the variable here? B. What is the value of variable? 5. So instead of B, if you put 5, what will get 5 plus 5? So left hand side 5 plus 5, 10. Right hand side it is 9. Is 10 equal to 9? No. Therefore, equation is not satisfied, right? No. B plus 5 equal to 9. What is the value of variable B here? 9. So 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 equal to 14, right? So left hand side value is 14, right hand side value is 9. Is 14 equal to 9? No. Therefore equation is not satisfied. Again next one, b plus 5 equal to 9. Instead of b variable b, if you put 4, what is the value in left hand side? 4 plus 5, 9. Right hand side, 9. So left hand side also is 9. Right hand side also is 9. Therefore equation is satisfied. Yes, right? Yes. H minus 8 equal to 5. What is the value of variable h here? 13. So 13 minus 8. What is 13 minus 8? Anybody? 13 minus 8 is 5, right? You subtract 8 from 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, right? So h is equal to 13. 13 minus 8 equal to 5. On the left hand side you are getting 5. Right hand side also you are getting 5. Is the equation satisfied? Yes. A left hand side and right hand side value is 5. Same value. So you have to write equation is satisfied. Yes. Okay. Next. H minus 8 equal to 5. So what is the value of variable h given here? 8. Instead of h if we put 8. 8 minus 8 is what? 0. Left hand side is 0. Right hand side is 5. So, is left hand side equal to right hand side? No. Left hand side is 0, right hand side is 5. Therefore, equation is not satisfied, right? No. H minus 8 equal to 5. Instead of variable h, if you put 0, 0 minus 8 is what? Minus 8. Minus 8 and 5 are they equal? No. Therefore, equation is satisfied, not satisfied. No is the answer. P plus 3 equal to 1. So instead of variable p, we will put 3. So what will happen? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Left hand side you are getting 6. Right hand side you are getting 1. Is left hand side, right hand side equal? No. Therefore equation is not satisfied, right? No. P plus 3 equal to 1. So instead of variable p, if you put 1, 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Left hand side value is 4. Right hand side value is 1. Is 4 equal to 1? No. Therefore, equation is not satisfied. P plus 3 equal to 1. So, in this equation, value of variable p is what? 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. So, left hand side value 3. Right hand side value is 1. Therefore, 3 is not equal to 1. Therefore, equation is satisfied? No. P plus 3 equal to 1. If you put value of variable p as minus 1, minus 1 plus 3. So 3 minus 1 or minus 1 plus 3 the same. So answer is what? If you put minus 1 instead of p. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 equal to 1? No. So equation is not satisfied. No, you have to write the answer as p plus 3 equal to 1. So what is the value of variable p given here? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 and minus 2 plus 3 are the same. 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So left hand side, right hand side, both value equal to 1. Therefore, equation is satisfied. Okay, children? We'll continue the next part in the next session.